Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra. The topic that is about we need to find the value of this one. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to put about x equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides. So the power 2 with the square root, they will cancel. And now we have like this. Next, now we go back in here. So we need to know that we just put about x equals to this one. Now I will put this one go to the left, x go to the right, and we have like this. Now let's go back to this one. If we look carefully about this one, they will repeat again from this one in here. And now we need to transform this one into 1 over x. And now we put this one go to the left. Now x squared multiplied by this one. I will put number 1 go to the left. And now we need to find the solution of x. And we have x equals to 1 over 4. And x equals to negative 1 over 3. But we need to know that on the value under the square root, they always provide positive number. So we just only select about x equals to 1 over 4, or this one equals to 1 over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.